I'm Indira from Angola. For this event, I'm bringing Kianda, which is like a water goddess. People from Luanda, they believe they have this entity or deity. They can curse them or bless them. I'm from Luanda, but I don't know much about it, so I was trying to figure out. Normally they chant to her and pray for her. I'm bringing the table, they do offerings to her, and I'm bringing some images of her. I mean, not her, because I don't believe someone have seen her. People believe she's a mermaid, but she's not. I'm bringing portraits of the people who worship her. So I'm trying to get everybody know a little bit more about my culture.